The tiny little bird looked so weak and fragile. It could barely lift its tiny head. Every moment felt uncertain, and they were scared it wouldn't survive. So they carefully fed it day and night, kept it warm, protected it, and stayed beside it non-stop until the little bird slowly started getting stronger. But before we continue, if this felt honest, tap like, heart it if it connected, subscribe to remain. As the days passed, the tiny bird grew bigger and bigger, and soft, colorful feathers slowly covered its body. Soon it was hopping around, full of energy and curiosity. Then they brought home new bird friends, and for the first time, the little bird looked truly happy.